The Buick Envision possesses several great features in the 2021 model year, including the 90-degree 60/40 folding seats in the back passenger bench. This feature allows you to easily more than double your cargo allowance, and in this video we're going to show you exactly how to do just that. Now, with your seats up, your Envision will hold around 25 cubic feet of cargo space, which is perfect for everyday trips such as going to the grocery store or going to the hardware store. To expand that cargo space, simply go to your passenger bench in the back of the cabin and press down on the seat button near the headrest. Once that button is fully pressed down, simply guide the seat into the 90-degree position. Then go to the other side of the cabin and repeat the same process. Now your Envision has around 52 cubic feet of space for those much larger needs, like moving someone out of their apartment and into a new house. To place the seats back into the upright position, simply push the seats up until you hear the click of the seat lock.